Hello, Mahesh. I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible. Am I audible to you?
Yes, Mahesh. Just give me the confirmation that I am. You can see my second slide.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Again, first slide is being shown to me.
Yeah, I just checking with that. Yeah. Thank you, Mahesh.
Okay.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. We'll just wait for 5 more minutes and we'll start with this orientation session. We'll wait for another 2 minutes and we'll start at sharp 5:30. Yeah, so good evening and hello to each and everyone present in this live streaming and we will orient you about the program or about the internship, how we will go about this, what will be the process and benefit of this internship. So, as you all know, that internship will start from 16th December to 16th of Jan. In collaboration of Shell is our CSR partner, and in collaboration of AICT, where you have registered over the portal, and we are the implementation partner. Hope I am audible, right? So, topic is on artificial intelligence with green technology. It's a 4 weeks program, and it's completely virtual, free of cost, and no stipend. We are going to pay for this because a lot of queries has come in between, and many students have asked me the question about all these things. So, I would like to clear on this part. So now I'll just start with the orientation program or session. I'm a program manager, Nikita Natkani from Edunet Foundation, and my colleague, Mr. Mahesh, he's the technical team person, and he will explain you about the content part, and I'll take through the process of this implementation of this internship. So I'll just go to the next slide, where I'll just would like to tell you about the Shell company. That Shell is a global energy and petrochemical company. It is operating over 70s country with a workforce of 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh employees. Have you seen petrol pumps nearby, right? So these are operated by Shell. Would like to tell you about Edunet Foundation. It is founded in 2015. Our primarily focus on youth skilling, innovation, and entrepreneurship. Edunet Foundation has a national-wide footprint and work with regulators, state technical universities, large network of engineering colleges and high schools around India. We work with government as well as private institutions too. We work with Microsoft, IBM, uh, Directorate General of Training, AICT, Cognizant, Aditya Birla, Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. These are the potential partners we are working with. So, if you have any doubts, you can raise your hands and you can uh, put in the chat window. I'll just go to the next slide. Just let me know if it is.
Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines cutting-edge technology with our urgent need to protect the environment. We're exploring how artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming our approach to environmental sustainability. From mitigating climate change to optimizing renewable energy, AI is offering innovative solutions to create a healthier planet. Stick around to learn how AI is leading the way in environmental sustainability. Let's start with one of the most pressing issues of our time, climate change. AI-powered climate models are revolutionizing how we predict and prepare for extreme weather events. These models analyze vast amounts of data from satellite images, weather forecasts, and historical patterns to provide accurate predictions. For instance, the IBM Environmental Intelligence Suite uses AI to forecast hurricanes, floods, and droughts. This enables governments and organizations to prepare and respond effectively, ensuring timely evacuations and resource allocation. AI also helps industries reduce their carbon footprints by optimizing energy use. Smart grids powered by AI balance energy supply and demand efficiently. Tools like the Sustainability Bot provide actionable insights and recommendations, helping companies achieve their environmental goals. Next, let's look at how AI is aiding conservation efforts. AI technologies are crucial for monitoring and protecting endangered species. Drones equipped with AI cameras can track wildlife movements and detect poaching activities. Machine learning algorithms analyze this data, providing conservationists with real-time insights. For example, AI systems monitor animal populations and detect changes in behavior or population size, alerting authorities to potential threats. In forest management, AI tools prevent illegal logging and help manage forest resources more effectively. By analyzing
So, this video is about environmental sustainability. So when you are talking about environmental sustainability, we are talking about green skills, right? Why it is important in today's scenario, as we see how we are going to use our natural resources effectively, because we see a lot of pollutions, we cannot do anything, or we how we can forecast these things, that is it is increasing day by day. So we are planning, or we are working with the help of AI, how we can minimize these things. So this program is all about where you are going to uh, learn with the help of mentors. They will teach you how we can uh, predict or work on these projects during the internship. So I'll just would like to come upon the agenda in this slide. What we are going to share about the program overview, weekly timeline, master classes and mentorship sessions, project submission, project list, project presentation, offer letter and certification, internship process flow, roles and responsibility of the students, and this instructions. So I'll just go on to next slide. So, why there is a need of this internship? When we talk about the AI opportunities, you all know you are coming from some technical backgrounds, engineering, science, and polytechnic. So you have already think about your future, that I have to learn this, and you have to go into technical sectors, right? So now AI is booming, chat GPT, all this terminology you are used to or you are using it, right? So when we talk about the AI opportunities, when there is a demand in the society, then you have to develop your skills related to AI. So as per the research, we by 2026 there will be a 1 million demand will be there in the market. So and maybe it can be in any of the diverse industry sectors. So you have to prepare by today, because after over the year, or maybe in the coming years, you will find lot of opportunity in this domain. So you have to prepare yourself right now for this. So as we are talking about the demand and supply, so definitely when demand is there in the market, or many adverse or diverse company will come into the picture, they will they will they need people into their organization to work upon all these things. Most of the organization work as a data into the data part, right? So they need people to work upon. So when we do the research on this part, there will be 30 to 30 million green jobs will be available in the market by 2050. In this point, I would like to share that you have seen lot of opportunities are posted by the governments in Niti Aayog. You talk about, you see that sustainability things, they need people who have skills related to the green skills, how we can conserve or save our environment, our earth. So lot of, when you come across with this field, you will get to know that lot of opportunities are lying and will be there in future. So, when we are talking about the emerging roles, when we talk about the AI opportunities and green skills, job postings, and everything, so what kind of roles will be there? So, it can be a combination or mix of technical as well as environmental expertise, where sustainability experts or green tech engineers kind of roles will emerge. So you have to be prepared if you have the engineering degree or the technical background. When you update your skills related to the green technology, it will help you out to get placed or to get some good opportunities as per the requirement in the market. So I have explained you about the need. I would like to explain you about the details, why there is a why we have planned this topic or this internship on this domain. So as we know, all know that demand is there. So whenever demand is there, you have to supply, right? So when recruiters will ask for this kind of skills, so we need to bridge this gap. That students should be ready enough to grab that opportunity. To bridge this skill gap, we are motivating students to know, to gain this knowledge and enhance their skills in AI with green technologies, and boost the employability, right? So what kind of pedagogy we are using? It's hands-on technical skills with industry relevant knowledge. We are focusing more on 70% 70% practical, and only 30% theoretical, right? Hope I am audible.
Yes, Nikita, you are
Yeah.
audible.
Yeah. So this internship is offered pan India because many of the students have already been registered on the AICTE portal, and you people are shortlisted through the pan India, right? So the mode of delivery of this training will be in the virtual mode, where our mentors will be there, technical experts will be there, industry experts. They will teach you in the virtual mode. In a week we have 5 hours you need to delegate along with your academics. I'll just go on to the next slide. So, eligibility criteria to register for this internship, that we have the target audience for engineering second, third, and fourth year students, and those who are in polytechnic and science, preferably second and third year. Eligible streams we are focusing on for engineering polytechnics, computer engineering, IT, electronics and communication, electrical engineering, mechatronics, and data science. For science, computer science, IT, electronics, data science, and BC. For prerequisite for applying or registering for this internship, that if you really want to pursue your career in green technology and artificial intelligence, then definitely you can be a part of this internship. And eagerness to learn and be punctual to the sessions and learn what they are going to teach you, and your commitment for 4 weeks to participate in the internship in addition to your regular academics. You must have your computer or laptop with good internet connection, because you have to perform some milestone on weekly basis. So you should either you can use your personal, or either you can use your college labs or the internet. And we prefer that you are from the technical background, so you must have basic computer knowledge and programming skills. So I just move on to the next slide. So what are the key benefits for this program, right? So you will earn the joint certificate, or we can say co-branded certificate, from Shell, AICT, and Edunet Foundation, and it is completely free of cost. As I have started from that only, because most of the students were keep posting me that, and people are asking me. So this is a main, I am just want to share all this thing, that it is completely free of cost. Don't pay anything to anybody, and we are not paying any stipend for this program. It's a 4 week internship, and during the internship you will build your strong industry relevant skill set in AI and green technologies through case study. Your case study will be given to you, you will work, and you will get the constructive feedback from industry expert. They will guide you how to work upon it. So you will always, you can ask, we have the doubt session also, you can ask as and when required with the master trainers or mentors or industry experts. They will guide you as and when required. So now I'll just request Mahesh, the technical person. He will explain you about the content and the learning outcomes in terms of technical aspects. So just requesting Mahesh to take over.
Thank you, Nikita ma'am. So I will be taking from this. So hi, all of you. I'm Mahesh, and I'm a professional data scientist, and I'm having experience of 8 years in the same technology. So in this internship, like in the slide, you can see it is of 4 weeks of internship in which we'll be implementing the project for 3 weeks, and we'll be presenting whatever projects we have implemented in the last week of this internship. So the technologies which are focused while doing this internship are green scaling, Python programming, machine learning, and Power BI. So the projects are divided according to that only. So in this internship, you will be learning all those technologies also while creating the project in that technology. So the projects are divided into two category, one with data analytics and one with machine learning and artificial intelligence. So what will be the timing? I can see in the chat, lot of chat questions are been arise, like what will be the timing for this session, and how should we get any feedback offer later after joining this internship. So all the questionnaires will be answering you. So let us move to the next slide. So in this slide here is the weekly timeline where this internship will be having two sessions. One will be my mentoring session and second will be master session. So the mentoring session where you will be doing your actual work, where you will be implementing project, and you will be submitting whatever work you have been done under that week. Okay. So every week the submission will be there. So that is the criteria for this internship. The attendance is another criteria for the internship. So that after completing these two criteria, you will be getting certificate from us. Okay. So this is the internship of which is being conducted by AICT. So there are few criterias which you need to follow. The attendance, then after your submissions, and then you will be eligible for the certification. So let us see about weekly timeline now. Let's see about weekly timeline where we'll be having five projects, like I have already explained to you. Like the projects are being divided into two categories, one with data analytics and second with machine learning and artificial intelligence. Okay. So here you can see project names are there where you are having five projects. So now one question might be arising in your mind, like, should we need to do all those five projects? So my answer will be no. You need to select at least one project that you will be completing within 4 weeks. Okay. That means in 3 weeks you will be completing any one project from this five project. So these are the options which we will be giving to you for doing the project. If you are in science stream or if you are in polytechnic stream, you can do this data analytics project. If you are in engineering stream, you can do this advanced project like machine learning, computer vision, and NLP. Okay, so that totally depends on you, like which project you want to select. Okay, how to select that project, how to get enrolled to any kind of batch, that I will be explaining to you. For now, we'll be saying the timetable of this AICT internship. Like I have already explained to you, this internship is divided into two parts, which is mentoring and master sessions. So the mentoring session where we'll be actually doing work of on projects, and we'll be developing the projects here. And the master sessions, which are the add-on things we have kept in this internship, where you will be learning generalized topic, which will be helpful for you to get place in any ID company, right? And we have also kept some sessions which is called as Ask Me Anything, where we'll be solving one-to-one doubts of yours. So we'll be solving your queries, and some mentors will be allocated for each project. So they will be coming in this session and they will be solving your doubts. Okay. So here the calendar is been defined where you need to implement project in 3 weeks. Okay. So the suppose for a example, if I take the project P1, which is of energy consumption trade analysis with Power BI. So this project is divided into 3 weeks, and every week the task will be assigned to you by that mentor who will be doing mentoringship for the project. And that task you need to complete in that week, and you need to submit within the same week. So every week you will be having submission, and in the last week, which is week 3, you need to submit your source file of a project, and you need to also create one PPT so that you can present your project in front of industry expert in week 4. Okay. Hope so you got all my doubts. I have clear and you got all the things.
One more thing I just would like to add in this, that we will share the meeting links and we will share the WhatsApp group according to the projects you will select. So we will have accordingly, we will share the meeting link, and as per the time given, you have to join the sessions on time.
Right.
So we will
So
keep on sorry, we will keep on updating everything on Telegram group, as you all are there in that. So I'll share this timetable also, so accordingly just check each and every day what are the updates. Yeah, yeah, Mahesh, you take over.
yes. So like Nikita ma'am has already told you, like the batches will be creating according to the project selection, and those batches will be getting updates on daily basis on every day you will be getting some updates from us, like when your schedule will be, what the next procedure you need to do, right? So you need to follow your WhatsApp or Telegram group, and where you will be getting all the instruction and you need to follow those instructions. Okay, so these are the things related to the timeline and the timetable of AICT. So, like I have already explained these things, so there will be two sessions. One will be master and mentoring session. So, the master session will be conducted for 120 minutes, and mentoring session will be also conducted for 120 minutes. Like on every week, you will be having at least 1 hour or 2 hour on for developing your project, and 1 hour will be 2 hours will be dedicated for learning new things in your master session. Okay, and there will be one more session which is of 2 hours where you will be clearing your doubts, whatever doubts you are having while creating your project. Okay, so let us move to the next slide. So the expected submission, like I have already told you, like you need to submit your work on every week. So some task will be assigned by the mentors to the students. Like you need to submit your 30% of work on week one. You need to submit 60% of work on week two, and you need to submit 100% of your work on week three with the PPT. Okay. And in week four, you will be presenting your project. So in week four, let us talk about that. So in week four, we'll be conducting two presentation, one with mock presentation, and the second one will be of final presentation. So we'll be selecting top 60 project, whatever submissions we'll be getting from your side. We'll be selecting top 60 projects from that, and we'll be putting them into this mock presentation. So these top 60 projects will be selected for mock presentation. And after under this top 60, again we'll be selecting top 40 project for final presentation. And later on, you will be taking out first, second, and third prize of this cycle of AICT internship. Okay. So let us move to the next slide now. So let us understand about the project now. So these are the project list which we will be doing while in the internship. So here you can see the title of project. Let us talk about first project, which is energy consumption trend analysis with Power BI. So here we will be using one business intelligence tool, which is called as a Power BI. Those who are interested in learning Power BI, you can just enroll for this project. The second project is also finding the trends of email marketing in India, right? This project is also will be developed with the help of Power BI only. So these two projects are of data analytics where you will be utilizing any business intelligence tool. Here we have selected Power BI. So you will be learning how to create a dashboard in Power BI by using some data set. Then let us talk about the next project, which is on AI and ML, where we'll be learning how to create a chatbot by using NLP. Now, you people might be aware of chatbot, like we are already seeing in different websites, like banking websites are there, which are being used for sales purpose or which are being used for support purpose. So, how to create a chatbot with the help of NLP, that you will be learning in project 3. Then in project 4, you will be learning about the plant disease detection, right? So you have seen that video at the initial level of this presentation, where how this AI is impacting to our environment, right? How it is helping to our environment to get less impact on our environment, right? So this is that practical where we will be learning actual thing like to detect the plant diseases with the help of artificial intelligence. Okay, where we'll be using convolution neural network and deep learning techniques to classify the disease whatever that plant is having in it, right? So in project 5, we'll be learning about prediction of disease outbreak. Okay. So what is this prediction of disease outbreak? It is the prediction as we define to attempt to foresee the outbreak of disease in the location or time frame in future, right? So we'll be predicting that whether this disease will be getting occurring or not. That outbreak will be predicting, and with this will be doing with the help of machine learning. So such type of options you will be getting for developing a project in this internship. So these are the 5 objects. Any one you need to choose and you need to enroll in this internship. Okay. So let us move to the next slide now. So like I have already explained to you, in week 4, you will be submitting your in week 3 only you will be submitting your project, and in week 4 you will be doing mock presentation and final presentation. So let us talk about the project presentation criteria. So here the attendance should be 70%. First criteria is this one. The submission of every week should be done by the student. This is the second criteria. So under and the third criteria is best 60 projects will be selected among those all those submission. Okay, and for final presentation we will be selecting 40 projects. Okay, and these are the things which we will be doing in week 4. Okay, let us move to the next slide. Okay, so after enrolling to this AICT internship you will be getting offer later. Okay, so Nikita, would you like to take this?
Yeah, sure. So, as many of the students have asked me, ma'am, that we need to log in on LMS and download the offer letter. So, just after the orientation, I have guided, or I would like to guide on this, that on LMS, when I'll share the login credentials and will do the process also how to do it. So when talk about the offer letter, it's a co-branded offer letter will be provided by the Edunet Foundation and AICT to the successfully registered students, right? I would like to share one thing. Your shortlisting, when you apply on AICT portal till you complete your internship, you we do 3 to 4 times shortlisting of the candidates, right? Once when we will get the data from AICT, so according to the criteria, everything, we shortlist the candidates. Once you select the project, after that, in terms of weekly milestone and everything, at that level also, when mock presentation you will give or you present your, then also we do the shortlisting, and after that in the final presentation also we will do the shortlisting. So you have to go through with all the processes. So just we come on to the offer letter, that in that offer letter we will mention your AICT ID and the student ID in the offer letter based on your project selection. You have to first select your project, then you are able to download your offer letter, right? So one thing that is more important as a note, you can just write it down or somewhere, that offer letter just confirm your enrollment, that you are the part of this AICT internship. This is not completion certificate. So I just request all the candidates or all the students that don't post anything related to offer letter on LinkedIn, because this is not the completion certificate. This is just a confirmation that you will be a part of this internship. So if you want to upload something, just complete your internship, then you can share your completion certificate over the LinkedIn. So don't treat this offer letter as a completion certificate or something else. So once you will select your project or any of the domain as Power BI or data analytics, AIML, Once offer letter is issued through the LMS, you are not allowed to do any change in this. So we are helpless, we can't help you in that. So once you have gone through with the processes, once you will select over the LMS, we you are not supposed to change your project, right? So we have explained you about the project details, what is the thing and everything, right? So you have to, after receiving your offer letter, you have to submit your final project report and PPT. And in every week you will get the milestone, weekly milestone that you have to complete, right? So I'll just move on to the next slide. This is a process flow, how we go about this, right? The process of the internship. You have applied on AICT portal, from where we received all the data from there. Now, second step, we move to the student orientation. We explain about the project overview, benefits, and how the process will flow. Next, once after you log in into the LMS, you have to select your project out of 5. Once you will select your project, we will do the batch creation. On the basis of your project, all the student will be bifurcated, or as per the selection, we will share you the WhatsApp group links. So accordingly, if you for example, you have selected this energy consumption, then I will create the energy consumption WhatsApp group, and you have to join that group. So accordingly, I'll share separate 5 groups. Then you can download, once you will select the this project over the LMS, you can download your offer letter. Once you will download one, you will start with the sessions. Master trainers are mapped and they will take the sessions. Timings are, if timings will be in the evening 5:30 to 7:30. So we will share this timetable over the Telegram group, so it will be handy and easily to access. So you can join the sessions accordingly. I'll share the meeting links too. Once it is mapped and according to the sessions, they will take the sessions. You have to join the sessions on time. In that, you will have the masters and mentoring sessions as well. And you can ask, you have asked me sessions where you can ask the doubts from the mentors. Then they will give you the weekly milestone. You have to submit that weekly milestone, as well as mock presentation submissions. Project submission will be there on the LMS. And once this process will complete, then you have been shortlisted after the project selection. Then you have to present your mock presentation as well as the final presentation. Once you will complete with the process, then you are able to avail your certificate. Hope I'm clear enough with the process. So we'll move on to the next slide. This is the main and important aspect of this internship: roles and responsibility of the students. Yeah, because I come across with lot of things. Somebody is charging, and some students have put it through this, that, man, something is happening like that. So therefore, and as per this internship, I want some rules to be followed in the groups as well as during the sessions also. You have to do the project submission on time, and you have to give the honest feedback over the LMS once you will complete your internship. Your behavior, this is really very important aspect, that you have to be very proper in discussions. Don't use any irrelevant or inappropriate discussion. We are not allowed. You are, if you are putting on camera on or be there in the sessions, your dress code should be decent, and we have full authority to remove any of the candidates from the session if we witness any of the uh, behavior which is not acceptable during the sessions, right? Device, yes, obviously you are working on the platform, technical platform, Power BI and AIML, so you should have your good internet and the specification in your laptops or in the computers, so you can do the projects well on time. So all the softwares, MS Teams, Zoom, that you should download prior when we start the sessions. 70% attendance is mandatory. You have to be punctual between 5:30 to 7:30. and we want you to be actively participate during your mentoring sessions, which is helpful to you only to get the knowledge. You can, if you have any doubts, you can ask anytime with your mentors. Yeah, obviously we want this 40 hours of your time commitment in the next 4 weeks, and you have to ensure that you should complete your weekly milestone. This is the last slide where I would like to share basic things about the LMS, that you have to do project selection on LMS. You have to maintain one single email ID throughout your process, because your login credentials through your email ID. We can mark your you because we can track your attendance from there itself, your performance throughout your internship. You can download your certificate through LMS. So don't change your email ID. All the communication or any updates will be given to you over the email ID. And we will create WhatsApp group according to the project wise. So all the information related to the internship meeting links will be shared through that. And next engagement for the mentor class will be there on 16, so please do join. And we can, most probably we are fixed with the dates, but then do, for any case of holidays or something on urgent basis, we'll shift shift our session on any other dates, and we will communicate prior to you on this. So this is the form that I'll share with you. It is the attendance form. And when you scan this scanner, you will get to know about the program. And this is the link where this is the LMS link where you can log in. I'll just Mahesh, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
This login one, LMS screen, or this the presentation one?
No, the presentation one I can see.
Okay, I'll just reshare my screen and go to the LMS part. Give me a moment, please. Hope you can see my screen now.
Yes, now I can see yours.
Okay, I'll just log in with this credentials. Give me a moment. This is a dummy created by us just for the testing purpose, that how it works. Fine. So this is your email ID. You can use your email ID, and password will be T capital TEST at the rate 1234. T capital TEST at the rate 1234. Then you have to add this capita EN. Yeah. So once you will come, hope my screen is visible to everyone, right? So this
Yes,
is,
it is.
yeah, this is a page when you come across with, where you have the undertaking that you will be present. This is a basic thing. You have to read out each and everything, and you have to click on this. Once you will click on this, you will see two sections of Power BI and AIML. When you click on Power BI, you will see two projects. When you click on AIML, you will see three projects. Once you will select any of the project, once I'll submit, for example, this is a one time activity, so now you cannot change anything. Once you will select, then it's get selected, right? So this is a dashboard where you can change the settings, passwords. I'll share the link on Telegram and WhatsApp group as well, but you can see the schedule also. Mentor will schedule the sessions, and the link will be visible to you from LMS also. After login, you can do that. Once you will select the project, you are able to download your offer letter from here, right? We will upload study material related to this project, right? So you can study that. Session recordings. Each and after sessions, we will work on the link or with the recordings, and we will upload the session recordings over here. So it will help you in the future if you want to recall something, or you want to learn that if you missed something related to the topic, you can see this recordings and avail, or you can learn on the basis of that. So this assessment part will be there. Majorly, this is very important. Now it is not visible to everybody, but yes, self attendance thing, that this window will open on the day itself. If we have aligned a session on 16th of December, so you will see here 16 Decembers and mark your attendance. When you log in on 17, it will disappear. So you have to log in on the same day, and you have to mark your attendance on the same day. Make sure, because I will not able to help you in mark your attendance, because this is the all backend thing, and as attendance is mandatory. So you have to, when you are attending your sessions, you have to mark your attendance on the day itself. If you will if you wish to mark on 17, it will, you will see that on 16 it will show as absent. So make sure that you should mark your attendance on the day itself. And once this session is created by the mentors, then only this will self attendance thing will visible to you on your screen. Hope I am clear to everyone.
So Nikita ma'am, few students are asking about the link of LMS.
Yeah,
They
I
are a
will
bit
share each
confused,
and
and
everything.
also they need their password for their login. First time login,
Please.
they need one password, which is common for all.
Yeah.
So please type it under that YouTube chat link so that all students can get that password and
Yeah,
login a link.
yeah, I'm doing that. Give me a moment, please.
And one more doubt, I think Kritika is having.
Yeah,
That doubt is related to the mock presentation. If you are
yeah.
not getting selected for mock presentation, also you will be getting certificate. Okay, students. So that is not the thing. Like you will be not getting certificate. You should do the submission properly every week, and the attendance should be more than 70%. That is the two major criteria which you need to follow, then and only you will be getting certificate. Okay, the presentation thing is different one, so where we'll be selecting top 60 project, like whatever projects we will be telling to you to develop, we'll be selecting among those projects, top 60 projects we'll be selecting, and we'll be putting one presentation event where you need to present virtually in front of industry experts. Okay.
And those who have not registered on AICT portal, they will not be able to log in on the LMS. So I want them that they do register for the next cycle. It is there already been posted on AICT. And I'll just share the attendance link also to you.
So for login purpose, you need to use skillsforfuture.in/internship. This is the website. You can search it on Google also. You will be getting that skillsforfuture.in. Okay, and slash internship you need to go. And for login purpose, you need to use your registered mail ID. Okay, then and only you will be able to log in, because whichever email ID you have given for the registration of AICT, that you need to use, then and only you can able to log into our LMS portal. Otherwise, you will not be able to log into our LMS portal. So timing is compulsory. Timing we can't change. Few students are asking to change the time also. It is being decided right now, so we can't change the time.
Yeah, so thank you everybody for joining. I'm happy to see you and work with you. Or this internship will definitely help you out to for learning on AI with green technology. So best of luck. We'll definitely connect over the Telegram group. I'll keep on updating all the things over the Telegram, and for anything you can just ping me up for any support. Yeah. So we'll just thank you everyone. Thank you Mahesh for joining and helping us for the content part, and thank you students for joining in. Thank you.
Thank you all. Bye.
Bye.